Welcome to another episode for our channel here at Carbon Media. This is Mikey, and today we're now here at Philinvest tent for the Neo Classic event. So, ayan kasama natin si Glenn, si Patrick, si JD.
Let's go!
So, let's go!
Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it.
Alright, so we're now here at Philinvest tent for the Neo Classic event. Yan, kasama natin si Patrick, si Glenn, si JD, and Eric is somewhere over there. May kausap lang. So, ayan, we're now here. Sa labas pa lang kami ng Philinvest tent for the Neo Classic. So, let's check out the cars that's on display. Ayun look at that, it's John. Let's go, let's go. Teka, ito si Josh eh. Sino uupa ka mo? Para ka mang-uupa ka. Sino uupa ka mo?
Pagod lang, pagod.
Pagod lang. O yan, si Smiley, kasama na natin. So, ano nang ginagawa natin dito? Ikot na tayo. Let's go, let's go. On this side, ang laki. It's a huge Shelby pickup truck. Laki. Supercharged. Look at the rims on that one and the brakes. And panghila lang siya nito. Cobra, Shelby Cobra. Check it out. Look at the wheels on this one. It's a classic car. Two-seater. Shelby. Pang-bios yung pang-trailer. And let's check out this Karmann Ghia. Volkswagen. Yan, another classic car. Ang ganda. It's a grayish blue paint. Ganda. Look at that. Complete trims. Fully restored. And I love the white and red interior on this one. Check it out. Whoa. So check naman natin yung mga tropa natin kanina pa nandito. So kamusta naman? Pagod na?
Pero sulit.
Diba?
Kasi yung kotse nadadagdagan.
Nadadagdagan. So tara, ikot na tayo.
Let's go!
Check natin, ang daming tao din. It's nice to see a lot of people here today. It's a family day as well, and also for car guys. So ayan, nandito. On this side, let's check out the 911 Turbo S on this one. In white, ganda.
Sila John.
And a Miata over here. And there's a Subaru there. Full roll cage. And check this out, a Wagon Zafiro. Yeah, last year, nandito na rin yan. So, it's here. Ganda. Low and long wagon. Let's check out some of the cars here. Check it out. An A86 Trueno Coupe. Yan. Check out the pop-up on this one. Black and red. Nice. With Watanabe wheels. Coupe. Let's check out the interior. Kompleto. Ganda. And let's check out the Silvia here. S13. Fastback. Ganda. They call this a Sil 80. Yan. Why? Normally kasi yung Silvia na S13 na fastback, naka-pop-up lights. But for this one, they converted it to a non-pop-up face. So, sa Japan, ang nickname nito is the Sil 80. It's Justin Bushype S13 with a very rare wheels, Blitz. Check it out, rare spec. Yan, mahirap hanapin tong wheels na to. Ang galing, nakakakuha si Justin. And on this one, check out the rally spec Toyota. A classic Corolla here. I think they call this the Mango, if I'm not mistaken. Ganda. Rally. Also with the rally wheels siya. Rally wheels and rally tires. Let's check out another Porsche here. Ganda. Look at that. Check out the wheels. Another Porsche here. Let's check out this Hilux and a Pajero for overlanding 4x4 setup. Ganda. Ang Pajero Fieldmaster. Nice. Ganda. That's cute. A combi. Let's check out the Mazda here. Oh, look, check it out. It's a hatchback. Hindi lumabas to dito eh. Pero ang lumabas dito yung 323 na sedan. So this one's nice. At 323 hatchback. And check out the wheels on that one. Racing hard. DTM wheels.
Ganyan yung
Oh, ganyan yung mags na nakasalpak sa'yo.
center cap.
Wala kang makuha talaga, no?
Yeah, pwedeng kopyahin na lang.
Pero kung sa akin nakakabit yung mags na yan, nagkaroon na ako ng center cap. Alam mo kung bakit? Because I'm resourceful.
Gusto ko yung ano.
Ganda oh. Hindi mo, nakakabit mo na ulit.
Kung may center cap.
Let's check out this car. 323 na hatchback. Lumipat na kami ng side dito sa parking and as you can see, busog-lusog ang mga cars dito sa VIP parking. So, parang nagkaroon na rin tayo ng car meet dito. So, ayan oh, Porsche again. Nandito lang sa labas, mga Porsche. Lupit. So, ikot tayo kung ano pa yung mga cars na makikita natin dito. So, ayan, ikot-ikot kami dito. Checking out the other cars here. So, Glenn, kanina ka pa dito. Ano ba yung mga napansin mo na dito? Sa labas pa lang ah.
Sa labas?
Ano na mga napansin sa'yo?
Tulad yan. Lalo yan. Ito.
Ito. Yeah, this one. Ito by Decal Republic to. Anime look. May mga Decal Republic. Yan, friends natin. From Chuck, shout out to Chuck. Check out this RWB. Yesterday. Yeah.
Halos walang ganyan last year.
Yan, last year ito. Nilabas na siya dito sa Neo Classic. The Ayanami RWB.
Tsaka yun.
Ito, gusto ko tong Benz na to.
Oh.
Very low Mercedes-Benz.
Saka fourth year,
Check it out.
shift to fifth a little, tapos break na ako.
Yan, check out this very clean E36. It's missing a clearance light. Baka nalaglag. So yan, an FL5. Ganda. Pipi mo dito sa labas pa lang ng Neo Classic. Dami ng tao. Busog ka na din sa mga cars on display. O ito, where have you been?
Kumakausap na ng long lost family. Wow.
Yeah. Hindi mo pa nakita sa event, no?
Dito pala makikita.
So it's been a while, yan, na nakasama natin si Smiley at si Glenn sa content natin. Ewan ko ba itong sa mga to, missing in action. Kahit sa ML, di namin sila makakalaro. So check out this S2000. White on white. Rega on S2000. Ganda. And check out the Supra here. Anong kaguluhan ba meron dito?
Meron dito. Nanggugulo ba to?
Dilibre mo ba kaming pagkain? Gutom na kami.
Sorbetes lang
Men,
manilibre ko.
kanina may
Ano ba to?
pinagalitan siya.
Pagkayaman-yaman, napakakuripot naman.
May pinagalitan siya, men. May
Bakit?
nag-shoot ako kanina dun sa Hasok Pusa tawag. Hasok Pusa.
Ako suka.
Di privilege yun, di ba? Nakashoot ako sa loob.
Oo.
Kung may susunod na, bawal pumasok dito sa loob.
Namimili. What's up, Bri?
May light box doon, no? Kung sino gusto magpa-picture ng auto, pwede, pare.
Oh, nice. Check natin yung light box.
So yung pangit na kotse, boss, gaganda.
Oo, gaganda.
So we have here Brian.
Gumagana sa tao, pero...
Patay.
Oo, pero yun, pare, pang...
Para siya RGB, ano?
so yan, pwede. So you can ruin there.
Ikot natin yung mga kotse natin mamaya, pa-picture tayo. So congratulations, Bri.
Wala pa, dahil pang trabaho.
Hindi, pero di ba?
Ganda.
Ano na to? It's done already. Ang ganda. Success. Good turnout. Just like last year. As always.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you for inviting us, Bri.
Without you guys.
Yan.
Para sa lahat.
Para sa lahat. Para sa kultura.
Yes.
Kotse. Oh, how's your 86? Eh!
No booking.
Sa'yo, kumpleto. I like it.
Hindi pa madrive.
Tinawing mo lang ba papunta rito? Tinulak. Hindi. Okay lang yan. Iikot na natin yan sa Esteban in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks time. Okay lang yan. May backup naman na maghihila. Ito track tayo. Check out this Crown VIP look. Torque Unlimited. Shout out. Ganda. Another one. Zafiro. VIP. Ganda. Low.
Okay na shop to.
Oh.
Torque.
Yeah, shout out to Torque Unlimited kila Tito Dondi.
Hindi ako pinagawa yung Yaris na itim tsaka yung RAV4. Sa Las Piñas.
Ganda.
Solid yan, sir.
Hey, kilala ko tong E36 na to ah. Shoutout to Mako. Ayan bago magsa. Alam ko puti ito ngayon, gunmetal na, ganda. Yabang. Shout out to Mako. Nice car. Hey, check it out. Mona you've ever seen. What's up?
Guys, try nyo dun sa likod, merong photo op. Ang ganda. Look at this. Panis.
Oh, nice.
Ganda ka. Punta na kayo dun.
Oh, ikot.
May pila na.
May pila na. Ayan. Mamaya makikigulo din kami doon. Nice seeing you.
Meron kami ang magpapapicture.
Hey, see you, Pete.
Pwede mo na daw dun sa light box.
Oh, ikot din kami. Pa-picture na. Ito, tapos na. Yun, oh. Check it out. A Glanza and a Yaris. So, ayan, mga friends natin na may gawa nito. From Steves. Alright, so we're now here at the photo booth area for cars here at Neo Classic. So, check natin yung photo booth setup nila dito. Tutuwa kayo. So here it is. Check out the photo booth. Ganda, may ilaw sa ibabaw. Nice. Here you go. Check out this Ferrari. Next on the photo booth, an Evo of Peter Chua. Nice. Check it out. Basta ako, para sa akin, ito ang best of show dito sa Neo Classic. Yung Revo ni Prototype, aka Lolong. Di ba? Best of show yan. Ganda.
Sugod sa bahay.
Sumusugod sa bahayan. So yan, we're going inside the main area, Philinvest tent, for the Neo Classic. So check natin yung mga cars. Andito na yung mga pangmalakasan. Kulit siya! Mga busog! So ayan, so let's go! So, punuan ngayon dito sa Neo Classic. You can see the cars here. It's a lot. It's a lot. So tara, ikutan natin. So, to start, let's check out the Fair Lady Z here. Nissan, Datsun. Yan, there you go. Ganda. Hey! Guess who's here? It's your boy, Moto TV. What is up?
Hey, I can walk now.
Oh, no more gout.
A little
No more gout for my friends.
just arrived.
So let's check out the S15 here. Check out the paint on this one. Color changing, multicolor. And check out this very rare S15 Varieta of our good friend Kay. Check out dito, Nismo wheels. Ganda. Yan. Varieta, very rare. Top down. What's up, Dwayne? What's up? Going back to the car. So as you can see, ayan, Varieta. So ito yung convertible version na S15. Very limited quantities to nung nilabas. So yeah, very rare. Check out. It has Nismo parts. Nismo seats. Ganda. And also the wheels. Yung Volk Racing. Yeah, rare. Then the Nissan Big Brake Kit. Ganda. By Tomato Garage. Yeah, let's check out this Nissan Ad Resort. Yeah, Euro specs. This one. Check it out. Ganda. Ad Resort means it's a pickup. Ganda ng wheels. And the engine. Check out the Benetton wheel, steering wheel. Ganda. Yeah, check out this one. The Mark II of our very good friend Day Day. Ganda. Very low. And check out the very rare rim on this. Rare rims. Blitz. Ganda. Check out the AE101 of this one. Ganda. Linis. 3S engine. Ganda. Hey, we have Buboy here. What is up? Oh, awarding na. Anong nakuha natin? Got the best Toyota. 2 in a row. There's Brian and there's Mark Arsenal. Hey, look at that. It's Jay Lim.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Neo Classic, for a successful event.
Shoutout sa inyo. Follow, subscribe.
a wrap here at Neo Classic. So, nag-enjoy ba kayo, boys? Boys, nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Top score! Siyempre!
Oo, ang dami. Isa daw dito, sumakit ang tuhod, kakashoot eh.
Fountain eh.
Ano? Inom din ng tubig tsaka ng turmeric capsules, bro, para hindi ka ginagout katulad ni Moab.
JC oh. Gout daw oh.
Gout. Shout out to JC. Pigil-tigil naman pagkain ng mani para hindi ka ginagout.
Hilig sa mani eh.
Hindi na ako magsasalita.
Well, on a serious note, so ayun, it's a wrap here at Neo Classic. Saya, ang daming mga bagong lapag naman din ng mga kotse. So, fresh. I really love the Skyline Hakosuka of Autoplus. Ang ganda. And it's right-hand drive pa. Legally right-hand drive due to the vintage car law. So, pwede na siya. Also, syempre, yung prototype A86, ang lupit, di ba? Ang ganda ng... Congratulations to Buboy and Prototype for getting Best Toyota on their A86 live-in. Coupe. Kasi last time, Trueno ang nilapag this year. Live-in Coupe. So, yun. And shout out as well to Brian. Ang ganda rin ng A86 niya. Best of the best naman yung mga nilapag for today's event. Neo Classic, congratulations for a very successful turnout of Neo Classic. And I think this will be, every year na to, annual thing. After Tokyo Auto Salon, dito ang bagsak mo. The next destination here in Asia is Neo Classic. So yan, so congratulations to all of the winners. Congratulations to everyone, to all of the organizers ng Neo Classic, to all of our friends na nag-participate. Great job to everyone. Putting the country on the map, on the car community here in Asia and to the world. This is it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Carbon Media. You could also like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Again, this is Mikey, together with
Patrick!
Smiley! For Carbon Media, thank you for watching. Peace!